Good afternoon, everybody. This is forecaster Zach Briscoe for the Hazardous Weather Prediction Center. We're going to take a look at a couple of things for the second half of the month, starting off with the NAO, which is the Northern Atlantic Oscillation. When this is negative, it allows the cold air to move into the eastern half of the country. But there has to be a couple other indices that match up with it to help that along. But you can see it's going to be negative, and it has been negative. Will continue to be negative, so that is a good sign for cold air. We also need a positive PNA, which is a ridge over the west coast, which then allows troughing over the east coast. That is also positive. It's going to trend towards neutral as we head towards mid-month, but it shouldn't impact the pattern too much. And also the Arctic Oscillation, this is another one that we need to be negative for colder air to be in the east coast. And you see that's also negative and will likely continue to be negative as we head into the second half of the month. We will combine that as we start to get a negative EPO. We will start to see the pattern change. And here is the GFS for the little bit as we go towards mid-month. This is the 13th. You can see there's still kind of a sloppy, ridgeous pattern over the country, allowing mostly warmer air into the country. And you can see that here with the upper air temperatures, the 850 millibar temperatures. Most of the country will be seeing warmer temperatures as we go about mid-month, about the 15th. But then after that, things will start to change. As you see now, as we go into the 18th here in the latter part of the month, we're starting to get troughing in the eastern part of the country, which will start to allow colder air to filter down in there and allow for possible storm tracks to be more easterly up the east coast. You can see the 850 temperatures also correlate with that trough, colder air coming out of Canada and coming into the eastern part of the country. So we will continue to watch this as we go past probably the 15th is when we're going to start to see a little bit of colder temperatures and storm tracks that might start to ride up the east coast. While this is not a guarantee for snow, it is definitely a better pattern than we've seen in the first half of the month. So we will start to watch for storm tracks and possible winter weather after the 15th of the month, with increasing probabilities of seeing colder temperatures and possible wintry weather. For the Hazardous Weather Prediction Center, this is forecaster Zach Briscoe. Have a great day.